Hey guys, so today we are doing some bath bombs. I bought this bath bomb kit at Target and it was only $5. That's what we're going to use today. First step is to get an old rag or an old t-shirt that you don't use anymore, so then you can use this and put it in front of you for when you're doing your bath bombs, because you don't want to get anything else messy. So today we are using the bath bomb kit, but if you don't have the bath bomb kit, you can use baking soda, cornstarch, essential oils, and food coloring. This is a 4-ounce mixture of cornstarch and Epsom salt. This is the baking soda. This is 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, and you're gonna need 1 water. The first step is to put the 4-ounce mixture into the bowl. Next, you're going to use 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1. Pretty nice. 1. 2. Now you're just going to mix them. Now you're going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of coloring inside. Now you're going to mix it. Now you're going to put essential oils. Then you're going to mix again. Next, you're going to slowly add 1/4 of a teaspoon of water and slowly add it when you're mixing. If the texture isn't clumpy enough, go ahead and add some more water. Next, you're going to start putting it in your mold. Now you're going to let it sit for a minute or 2. Now when you open it, hopefully it's in one piece. It's beautiful. Just like that, we're done.